So hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's review guys, we're going to ride a motorcycle, and I'm gonna wear my new helmet. It's color pink and it's really cute, right? So see you later guys. So there we go guys, look at my face. Wala na nga tayong ilong. I don't have a nose guys, look, it's losing my nose now. It's squeezing my face. Oh my goodness, be careful, I can't breathe honey. So
it off for you, honey.
Huh?
Look. Splat.
Eh, poo-poo.
A bug.
Yeah. Look at that helmet, guys. So pretty.
How my motorcycle?
How fast it is?
It's a 1,200 cc.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1,200 cc. It's made by Harley Davidson. So it'll go pretty fast. It's mostly just makes lots of noise though. Sound like a tractor to Jane.
Yeah.
So she doesn't like it. We gotta get a new one for her so she'd be happy. Quiet, nice and quiet. But it's a good motorcycle, very reliable, air cooled, and like I said, 1,200 cc, 5-speed. Fast. It'll go fast. It'll do 100 miles an hour if you want to do that. And it's pretty comfortable. It's got bags on it already. Show them the bags on the bike. Can they see the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got bags on it, so you can put things there, tools. You know, we have a little picnic we can put in there. You know, things like that. So, and you can take it to the grocery store and get your groceries and put them in there. I used to do that before Jane, but when I go to the store now with Jane, it's like she gets so much. I can't even put it in the truck. It costs, you know, $100, whatever. But anyway, all right, cut.
So let's do eating our baon. I have some snacks here, guys, and it's my favorite, and it's a flavor of honey barbecue. That's it. And I have some green. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and here's the view here, guys, where we are on the top of the mountain, and this spot is good for you to have a date like that, whatever, or picnic. If you want to picnic here, it's because it's a nice view there and it's so windy, and I do really like it. Now let's go back to David's their place. How's you doing?
Good.
Are you okay there?
Yeah.
You enjoy?
Yeah. Did you enjoy the ride up here?
Oh yeah.
Was it too long or too short?
Too short. I like it.
Really? Yeah?
Can we go back here next time?
Yeah. We need to find a new place to go.
Okay. This is David's talking about the bag that you can put your baon, your water, your snacks, and there's some more here and there too. There are 3 of them, and it's so cool to sit here, you know, because it has something like this, so you can just lay down. It's so cool. I like this motorcycle though, but the problem is it's just very noisy. So when you have helmet on, it's not that noisy. So the name of this is Buell. Okay, there. So see you on my next vlog. No, see you later. So guys, right now we're going ride some more. What are we gonna do? Where are we going, honey?
Going back home.
Oh, we're going back home. Okay, we're going back home. We're not gonna go anywhere.